Let's go. No. Sheesh. You know. Look. Rain on me, God bless me, put this game on me. All these trials and these tribulations, I'm the same homie. Same nigga, different natty. Got the work, I'm serving natties. Baby, just a little baddie. Rep the north like I'm fat. Oops, I mean my nigga H. Face way they can't relate. Nigga, I'ma do the most. Ay, pop it, then I toast. Pop a perk, then I float. I'm deadly when I'm in my mode. I take this game from me, I just gotta say something. A lot of niggas move their lips, but they don't say nothing. All the losses that I took, I got a lot of pain. I really wanna break it down, but I can't explain. Fuck getting in my feelings, I get in my bag. I'm grinding hard to give my kids what I never had. Ay, why these niggas steady hating on me? Why your bitch steady texting, she been weighing on me? But I'ma play it to the left, that's the G in me. Rather get to a bag if it's up to me. Came from nothing, now I'm starting to taste luxury. But I still act a fool, that's the thug in me. Ain't no love in me, I was down, they turned it back. Now I'm round to the next, smoking count racks. Big dog, I been stepping on these niggas' necks. Glock came with a switch, I don't need a tech. Blowing like a ref when it come to my niggas. Know I been through it all, fucking with my niggas. Shed blood, did time, they ain't nothing realer. To see my mans at the top, they ain't nothing iller. Looking in the mirror, I just see a real nigga. Had to tighten up my game, now I see clear. Staring through my rear view on some Pac shit. Used to wake up every day on some hot shit.